Choosing the wrong filtration method can reduce efficiency even if the equipment itself is good. In industrial filtration, two common approaches are batch filtration and continuous filtration. Continuous filtration is designed for uninterrupted operation and steady flow. It works best when slurry conditions remain consistent and throughput is the priority. Batch filtration works in cycles. It provides better control when slurry properties vary, and it supports higher pressure filtration for improved separation. Continuous systems focus on speed and constant output. Batch systems focus on control, cake dryness, and process flexibility. That's why selecting the right filtration approach depends on process stability, required cake dryness, and operational priorities.